Guys, look, there's more ducks coming. Tin, 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 tin. Duck army. Oh, no. Guys, I'm scared. If you didn't watch part 1, a duck tried to attack me. I'm scared. Soja meri duck, duck army, army duck, army duck. What is going to happen to duck army? Army duck, where are you going? Shut up! Duck, shut up! So many ducks. Shut up! So many ducks and more ducks coming to Matabari. Oh my god, what happened to one leg? Look guys, one is limping. What is happening to his leg? Oh no! I'm scared, guys. A duck tried to attack me. Part 2. Attacked me in part 1. Now there is so dark. Now there is so many ducks come up. What happens if I I'm scared, guys. I'm scared. Goodbye, guys. Wait, I was ending this video. Then look, more ducks and a baby one. If you can see it, baby duck cannot come. I cannot zoom. Oh. What? Huh? It's your fault. It's your fault. Hi, goodbye, guys. Hi. Wow, that's not good. Goodbye, guys.